In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Proton Mail 2026. To get started, open Proton Mail in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're fully logged in and on the main mail screen before moving on. This is important because the language setting is located inside your account settings, not on the sign-in page. Once you're inside Proton Mail, look for the settings icon. It's usually located near the top right area of the interface. Click on that icon to open the quick settings menu. From there, choose all settings. This will take you to the full settings area where you can manage more detailed preferences for your account. After the settings page opens, find and select the section called language and time. This is where Proton Mail lets you control how the interface appears, including the display language you use while navigating your inbox, menus, and account options. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the settings menu carefully, since the layout can look a little different depending on updates or screen size. Inside the language and time section, look for the option labeled Default Language. This is the setting that determines which language Proton Mail uses across the interface. Once you find it, click the language drop-down menu to see the list of available languages. Now select your preferred language from the drop-down. Choose the one you want Proton Mail to display. Moving forward, be careful to click the correct option, especially if several language names look similar or are written in their native form. Taking an extra second here can save you from needing to switch it back again. After you select your language, Proton Mail will update the interface to match your choice. In many cases, the change happens right away, so you should immediately notice the menus, labels, and settings appearing in the selected language. If the update doesn't seem instant, give it a moment and check the screen again. At this point, just review the interface to confirm that the language has changed correctly. This quick check helps make sure everything looks the way you expect before continuing to use your inbox. If needed, you can always return to the same language and time section and choose a different option later. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Proton Mail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.